How to hide post in Reddit. If you have been using the Reddit application and wondering on how to hide a post on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Reddit application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now simply scroll down to your feed. Just like this. And if you have seen something that you don't want to see, then you don't know how to hide it. Now, to hide it, simply tap on the three dot lines right here at the top. Just right here, select it. Then here you can find hide, just right here. Now tap on it. And now you can see that post has been hidden. Now do the same process for other posts, just like this. And the post will be hid. And that's it. This is how you can hide a post in the Reddit app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.